you want to know what my tanning routine looks like? I'm about to show you, okay? You know what? Having Pritz. That's the truth. That's what happens. It's real life. I'm like, oh, I'm late to go film something. Oh no, I am like putting my tan on in the car. Like, look at this. Okay, we're just gonna blend that out. Most of the time, I'm just tanning the thing, like the skin that's showing. If I'm being honest, like, look at that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. For my hands, I just bring it down, and then I'm just really careful not to get my hands wet for a little bit. And then this is my like favorite hand trick. You're just gonna take a baby wipe, and seeing like the knuckles there, I'm just gonna take that and go over the top. Like if you're awful at hands, this is the quickest way to just like blend it. A lot of times if my hands are super dry, I'm just gonna take some lotion and just smack it over the top. Okay, another part of my self-tanning, you know, the exfoliating part, yeah, I don't do that. And then most of the time with the face drops, I'll use these after I've used this. So it's more for like maintenance. I'll show you how I do my face. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the spray side on this side, and then I'll show you the brush side on this. So I'll make sure you don't like squint your face. Normally, this does not happen. So let's say this did. Okay, we had a malfunction. Let's say this happens. Let me show you how to fix this, okay? That's why you're gonna take this blending brush, and I'm just stippling, pulling the color, pulling some of that color to the other side of my face. Can you see the difference in my face? Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what to do. Just a couple sprays, okay? And then you're just gonna, just like makeup. I just make sure I pull it up into my hairline. I always like to start on the outside of my face and then drag that color down. So this one's going to give you like a more lighter coverage. Obviously, this side was more. And then you can put your makeup over top of it. You can just wear the bronzer. I love this one because you can just play so much. And then, like I said, this one I'll use like tomorrow when I wash my face, and it's part of my skin routine at the very end of the day. That's when I'll use this. Okay, I cannot self-tan without this. My husband and I will actually fight over the last of the powder that's in here whenever we're self-tanning. And I just really focus on the areas where like my skin is touching. And then I just apply that all over, and it takes like all of the tackiness away. Even though the tan is dry, it's still, there's something on your skin, and so you can still feel it, just like you can feel when you're wearing makeup. And so this just eliminates that feeling. And then when this runs out, this top just comes off, and then you can refill the powder. So honestly, that's my routine. There's nothing crazy fancy. I have no time for that. I just want color. It makes me feel good. So I'll slap it on and go run errands, and most of the time, it's like, again, I'm not even fully tanned. It's like a mystery, but that's the whole point of it. And so hopefully this helps you know that you can just break all the rules, do whatever you need to, and just put on the color, because that's my routine.